Hey guys, welcome to my new video. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys my summer makeup routine. So remember, I do not use this makeup, like all the makeup products every single day, because obviously like I'm gonna get tired and ain't nobody got time for that. So I already did my foundation off camera because it took me way too long. So I used a Profusion foundation, I don't know what shade, and then I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just blending it out here with a mermaid makeup brush that I bought online. It was in one of my haul videos. I'll link it down below so you can watch it. So like, do remember that I have like fast forwarded all the like clips, well, most of the clips in this video, because it took me way too long to put it on and to make sure it was fully blended and stuff. So I'm gonna go in second time with the concealer because I wanted full, like, not full coverage, but like I wanted to cover the scars that were on my face. For my foundation, I only had like one pump of it, and I sprayed it all up on my face. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, I'm not trying to get full coverage or anything, but I'm just trying to make sure that like you don't see all the pimple marks. So after this, I'm gonna bake my face. I really don't do this enough, but anyway, just gonna take loose translucent powder and just like dab it on my face. I'm not gonna blend it, just dabbing it. I know I look crazy, but yeah. Trust me, this helps me so much. You should really try it. It helps like control the oil and stuff. I know I look really crazy. So I'm gonna move on to my eyelid. My eye makeup. I'm gonna use the Wiz eye makeup brushes. I'm gonna use the ColourPop eyeshadow under the mitten, and I'm just gonna put that on my crease and blend it out. And as per usual, I'm just gonna like fast forward this clip because it took me way too long. Then I'm gonna take the ColourPop eyeshadow in the name Dear, and I'm gonna put that on my eyelid. It is this really beautiful glittery purple, dark purple. It's like plummy purple. I use the brush for all these eyeshadows, but I do not recommend it at all. I do not recommend using eyeshadow brushes because these eyeshadows work perfectly with your fingers. I wish I did it with my fingers because they would have been so more colorful and the colors would have paid off, but no, I just had to use a brush. Anyway, and also using a brush is like a way of wasting the product, so I do not recommend using like a brush for this eyeshadows. Then I'm gonna use a blending brush. I'm gonna blend out all the harsh outlines, and yeah, that's about it. That's how my eye makeup looked. Then I'm just gonna take a gold eyeliner and put that in my inner corners. I am speaking so weirdly today. So I'm just gonna put that in my inner corners, just to brighten up my eye. So now I'm going to take a brown eyeliner from Thin Lizzy. Worst thing, I'm actually running out of it. But anyway, so I'm going to take that and line my eyelashes. My eye waterline. See, I don't know what's happening with me today. So I'm going to take my powder brush and just dust off all the translucent powders, because obviously we do not want that there. I speak so weirdly today, I don't know. Forgive me, it's 4:26 a.m. So I'm gonna dust that off, and then I'm gonna use the Avon Smooth Minerals powder. It's a translucent powder, and I'm gonna put that on my face. And fun fact, I actually lost a clip because yeah, anyway. Now I'm gonna take the tube blush, and the trick here is to smile and then put it on the apples of your cheek. Yeah, very basic, but anyway. So for my highlighter, I'm going to take the e.l.f. highlighter. I'm running out of it. This is the best thing ever. I highlight everything. Like every single day I highlight my face. It's something that I love doing. I just love it. It's the perfect thing. So as for my lips, I'm gonna use the Avon Golden Plum lipstick. It's like almost like in the form of lipstick and lip gloss, but anyway, that's how it looks. So I swatched it in my hand and then I'm gonna put it on my face. Actually my lips, but yeah. It is this really gooey, like it's not purple, but it's in between, like a really plummy color. It is so pigmented and I love it. I wish I used it before, but I didn't. But anyway, I love it. So that's it for my makeup look. It is my summer makeup routine look, and I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!